I'm sorry. He didn't know that he was your holder.
Mm-hmm.
He always is.
Yeah. I'll take you down here with me. Same dude? What if he rapes me while I'm on the boat? You have one, I have one, and Lloyd had one. We don't even have to go fishing. I'm sure they do. I'm gonna put it in my purse. It's not that first boat because he's leaving. So that's the cabin cruiser?
Nah, it's a sailboat.
No, he means this one. The main one. Oh, no.
My name is Mary.
My name is Chris. Nice to meet you.
Your name is who?
Christopher.
Christopher.
Your name?
Randy.
Randy.
Uh-huh.
Hi, I'm Kai.
Christopher, nice to meet you.
Hi, Kai.
Lloyd.
Look, all right. Just for right. 453. Okay, let's go.
Hey!
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, sir? How you doing?
Nice to see you. Welcome.
So are there fish out there?
Luis.
Are there gonna be fish?
Luis.
No, are there gonna be fish?
Luis. You put fish.
Oh, Luis put fish down there?
Yeah.
Nice.
With the same with the slots.
Oh, so the fish and the sloths are put out today. You like Luis? You know Luis?
You know Luis.
Yeah. I mean, he was good to us last time. You really should be going with us.
Why?
Hang out with us.
Enjoy it.
We only see you once or twice a day.
Okay, go to it. That's your boat now.
Get off your phone and get on the boat. Slide down, let him sit. What, you gonna just take up all the room?
I'm not taking up any room. Sit.
That's it.
Oh, he didn't tell us how long we're gonna be out.
No, he did.
You can see whatever you want, guys. Get it.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Yeah, Luis, like, he makes a joke about this. Luis takes, like when you go out more and you want to see animals, he says, hola.
Hola.
He says, like, then Luis puts them in the food.
Oh.
And then he says, Luis will, you know, like, fish, put them in the bowl. And he says, you have to tie down so that they swim over.
Okay, guys, my name is Chris. Again, Eric is my
Chris and
friend.
Eddie.
He helped me, yeah, when we make fishing tours. I drive him, he helped me with everything, the fruit. You have water there, some fresh. And when you want the pineapple, just let me know when I cut the fruit. And you have cookies there.
Okay, and how long are we out?
We start now and we spend 4 hours, 3 hours and a half. Yeah, and we try fishing. You can swimming if you want. I think it's all. We have the little beach today, but I don't know if it's strong. It's perfect to go out. We can go to the island. Yeah, you have a time?
No, not really.
No,
But you know where all the fish are, right?
What do you say?
You know where the fish are.
That's the most important. Catch a fish. We buy this lure. It's the best. We have another one here. We buy this. The new generation. We try casting, trolling, and we have some jump. This is tilapia's food. We have tilapia farm here, so of course it's illegal to take the tilapia inside of the net, but we can fishing outside and a lot of fish around there because they give tilapia's food and we make a bowl, put the hook in, and we catch something later.
Can we just open the thing and put it in for the tilapia?
No, it's next.
Let's do it. No, let's do the inside.
No, I'm going to the fishing place. They have a cans. Okay, always I'm gonna start here around this bay because we have the slots and monkeys, different animals. If you want to try see some animals, I can go around this bay. If not, let's go out. Just let me know.
You want to see some animals, Guy?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we spend time here after we start trolling, some castings, and the last thing is tilapia farming. We don't catch any rainbow bass. We have a big rainbow bass here. I don't know how many pounds, but kilograms is like a 5 kilograms.
Oh,
It's a good one.
5 kilograms.
Yeah, 10 pounds.
Picture right there. So we got first time in this lake, this boat?
I haven't. I'm fine to be out here just seeing my dad.
No, I wanted to go, but I wanted to know what was needed. That meeting on the house.
Oh, okay.
Because Maureen, she was supposed to be our roofer. And we just fired her. And I don't know if we need some. So,
Because she's too nice.
yes. And he did do that. I said, I got me a wallet and then he said, well, Maureen, she just shows up when she wants. Well, you know this. Trust me, man. He makes the rest of it and he doesn't need to come.
See, see?
Huh?
See?
Yes.
Yeah, Eddie Finance lot right there. You see the pine trees from off, the little tree in the middle? You can see some animal there.
The back.
It's a slot. You got it? Right there?
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it right up there.
Can we have Kai climb up there and pick it up and show it to us? Kai, you could make it up there, couldn't you?
Yeah, I could.
Ah, te la agarré la forma, pero sí, sí es. Sí, sí. Oh, yeah, yeah, the head is in this side. In the other side, look at that.
Porque yo creo que tiene un bebé.
No, no, yeah, aquí está la cabeza, este lado. Look at that. You don't see it there. See
Yeah,
it?
look how moldy.
Yeah, look at the head in the left side of the ring.
Kai, are you taking pictures? Está enorme.
It's like a Where's Waldo? I'm leaving. I don't see it.
You can't see it?
No.
No, really, you can't see it?
It's right.
It's right here.
You see that branch
You
hanging?
can take a picture and
You
make
see
it.
that branch hanging?
See the branches sticking straight down?
Yeah.
It's right there.
It's right there.
See the animal? It's like a brown.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the head is on this side. It's a slot. 2 fingers is slot. We have 3 fingers and 2 fingers. This is a female. 2 fingers. You got it?
Yeah, I see it.
You?
Yep, I see it.
All right.
All right, Kai, come here, I'll show it to you.
Okay.
No, I wanted to come out with you. I wanted to come out with you because I like to come at least with you. She goes, don't worry, I'll take care of everything.
Look at that. She moved the hand.
She's waving at us.
Just move the hand, the left hand. Yeah,
Oh, okay, that thing.
See, there's its head.
yeah, they have a good camouflage. It's difficult to be far away.
Yeah.
Good eyes, Eddie.
Yeah, good eye.
Eddie's like, sloth.
Yeah. That's why he worked with me.
You want to keep your hat too?
She wants you to put it on so you don't, your head don't get
I'll let
burned.
it go away though. That's my new favorite hat.
You know, I did that.
Oh, really?
My hat blew off and I looked at it and I was like,
His hat blew off when he was driving one time, but caught it.
well, mine flew into the water.
Oh.
And I looked at it and, you know, your first initial impulse is to try to get it.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have that impulse. I looked at it and went, you were a good hat. Now, Lisa reassured me everything's fine. She'll take care of Maureen. They get his stuff. Now we have some stuff in there because I told laundry over the new house. We get a tilapia, we eat them tonight.